Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about sensors in IoT and what are the different types of sensors in IoT and how it helps. Sensors are used to collect data from various sources and send it to cloud-based platforms for analysis. Yes, then we have different types of categories of sensors like environment, motion, biometric, position, smart home sensors, industrial sensors, and energy monitoring sensors. And we'll discuss about one by one. Yes, the first one is environmental sensors. In this, we have different types like temperature, humidity, air quality, light, and noise. They all will sense and measure. And first one is temperature sensor. It will measure the temperature in the atmosphere. Humidity. It will also measure the humidity in the environment. Air quality. It detects the pollutants and harmful gases in the air. Light sensor. It measures ambient light intensity. And noise sensors. It measures sound levels in the environment. And next one is motion and proximity sensors. Proximity sensors are like it will detect the presence of objects within a certain distance, like a certain meters, like a Wi-Fi. Motion sensors, it detects the movement and changes in the position of its object. And occupancy sensors, it will determine whether a space is occupied by a vacant or an object or something. The next one is biometric sensors. In this also we have different types. Fingerprint sensors. It will capture and recognize the fingerprints for authentication purpose like Aadhaar cards and entries on something like validity purposes. And heart rate monitor sensors. It will measure heart rate and other vital signs for health monitoring. And the gesture recognition sensors. It will detect and interpret gestures for human-machine interaction. Then, then position and location sensors. In this we have two types like GPS modules and accelerometers and gyroscopes. GPS modules are like it provides accurate location data for tracking and navigation like bus tracking, car tracking and the location purposes also. And the accelerometers and gyroscopes are like it will measure acceleration and rotation for motion tracking and orientation sensing. Yeah. Next, smart home sensor. In our home also we'll use some sensors like Alexa and many other things. For example, door and window sensor. It will detect the opening and closing of doors and windows for security and automation purposes. And water leak sensors. It detects water leaks or floods to prevent damage from the loss. And smoke and gas sensor. It detects smoke, carbon dioxide or other gases for safety monitoring. Then next, industrial sensors. In this we have like pressure sensors, vibration sensors, flow sensors. Pressure sensors will work and measure pressure in industrial processes for monitoring and control. Vibration sensors, it will detect the vibrations in machines to predict maintenance needs and prevent failures. Flow sensors measures the flow rate of liquids or gases in the industrial systems. And the last one is energy monitoring sensors. In this we have two electric meters and solar irradiance sensors. The first one, it measures energy consumption for billing and optimization. The solar irradiance sensor were like measure solar radiation for solar energy generation optimization because it will helpful to the natural resources. Then thank you for watching this video.